Observing a specific region of the sky through the Hubble Space Telescope reveals absolute darkness. It appears as if nothing exists there, just an empty void in the cosmos. Yet, when astronomers used the James Webb Space Telescope to inspect the same area, they uncovered something astonishing: a faint, subtle red glow. This glow was not a random flicker of light or a cosmic illusion, it was the signature of a hidden galaxy, shrouded in dust and invisible to conventional telescopes. This mysterious galaxy, known as TEC 71, stands as one of the most distant and enigmatic discoveries ever made. It offers astronomers a rare window into the early universe, helping us understand how the first galaxies formed and evolved. In this video, we'll explore the story behind this groundbreaking discovery, what makes TEC 71 so special, why it remained hidden for so long, and what it reveals about the history of our universe. Unveiling the hidden giant. To comprehend TEC 71, the first step is understanding its fundamental properties, how it compares to other galaxies and what makes it unique. Astronomers measure a galaxy's characteristics using several key factors: mass, luminosity, redshift, and color. Each of these properties provides clues about the galaxy's history, its environment, and its potential evolution. To obtain this data, astronomers relied on Webb's near-infrared camera, NIRCam, an instrument capable of capturing incredibly faint and distant light at different wavelengths. By analyzing how the galaxy appears in various filters, scientists can estimate its distance, temperature, and chemical composition. This technique, known as photometry, is one of the most powerful tools for studying galaxies beyond our reach. The results were staggering. TEC 71 is both massive and luminous, with a mass about 50 billion times that of the Sun and a luminosity nearly 500 trillion times greater than our star. These numbers place it among the most extreme galaxies ever discovered, specifically a class of galaxies known as submillimeter galaxies, which emit most of their light in the far infrared and submillimeter range. But there was something even more shocking about TEC 71, its extreme redshift. Looking back in time, TEC 71 has a redshift of 5.7, meaning the light we see from it today was emitted when the universe was only 1 billion years old, just 7% of its current age. This makes it one of the earliest galaxies ever observed, allowing us to peer back into a time when galaxies were still forming and evolving. But why does redshift matter? Redshift is a consequence of cosmic expansion. As the universe stretches, the light traveling through it also gets stretched, shifting toward longer wavelengths. This is why distant galaxies appear redder than they actually are. Their light has been stretched from visible and ultraviolet wavelengths into the infrared. TEC 71, however, isn't just red, it is one of the reddest galaxies discovered in the Cosmos Webb survey, a large-scale sky survey covering an area about 10 times the size of the full moon. This extreme redness posed a significant challenge for astronomers. Why was this galaxy invisible to Hubble? One of the biggest mysteries of TEC 71 was why it remained invisible to optical telescopes like Hubble, despite being so luminous. The answer lies in its thick, shrouding dust. Galaxies like TEC 71 are dust-obscured, meaning their visible light is almost entirely blocked by clouds of cosmic dust. This dust, made up of tiny particles of carbon, silicon, and metals, absorbs and scatters ultraviolet and optical light, making the galaxy appear dark in those wavelengths. However, this same dust re-emits the absorbed energy in longer wavelengths, such as far infrared and submillimeter light, which telescopes like Scuba 2 and ALMA can detect. These telescopes first spotted the galaxy as a faint signal in the submillimeter range, but they couldn't determine its structure or measure its distance. Only Webb, with its advanced infrared capabilities, was able to capture the galaxy's rest frame optical light, the light it originally emitted before being redshifted. This allowed astronomers to study its stellar properties, age, and formation history, revealing a galaxy unlike any other. A galaxy undergoing a massive starburst, Aztec 71 isn't just any ordinary galaxy, it is experiencing an intense period of star formation, known as a starburst. A starburst is a phase where a galaxy produces stars at a rate hundreds or even thousands of times faster than normal. This process can be triggered by galaxy mergers, gas accretion, or feedback from massive stars. In Aztec 71, this rapid star formation is producing massive, hot stars that emit powerful ultraviolet and optical light. However, this intense radiation interacts with the surrounding gas and dust, ionizing and heating it up, creating thick clouds that block visible light. These dense clouds act as a shield, making the galaxy completely invisible to optical telescopes. But while optical telescopes see only darkness, Webb's infrared vision cuts through the dust, revealing the true nature of this hidden giant. How did this galaxy form? One of the biggest questions astronomers are now trying to answer is how Aztec 71 formed, and what its existence tells us about galaxy evolution. There are two main possibilities: a violent galaxy merger. Aztec 71 could be the result of a collision and merger between multiple smaller galaxies. Galaxy mergers compress gas and dust, triggering bursts of star formation and producing large amounts of dust. This would explain why Aztec 71 is so massive, luminous, and dust-rich. Gas accretion from the intergalactic medium. Another possibility is that the galaxy grew by pulling in gas from surrounding space. This fresh supply of fuel could have sustained rapid star formation, creating new stars and enriching the galaxy with dust. Over time, this process could have transformed it into the massive galaxy we see today. Whichever scenario is correct, one thing is clear: Aztec 71 is a missing piece of the cosmic puzzle. Its discovery challenges our models of galaxy formation and provides critical clues about how early galaxies evolved into the ones we see today. The future of deep space exploration. The discovery of Aztec 71 is just the beginning. With the James Webb Space Telescope continuing its mission, astronomers expect to uncover even more hidden galaxies, some even farther and older than this one. Each new discovery pushes the boundaries of what we know about the early universe, helping us unravel the mysteries of our cosmic origins. Who knows what else is waiting to be found, hidden beyond the limits of our current technology? One thing is certain: the universe still has many secrets left to reveal.